Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I have not filmed for quite a long time, but I'm so excited to get back into it. I got some new materials, I got a new ring light, I got a new stand, and I got lots and lots of products to try out and review for you guys. So today I'm trying out the Blueberry Bliss line by Curls. And I've always heard so many good things about them, but today is the day that I am going to try them out for you. So I have 3 products that I'm going to use today, and I'll let you know how I like them. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. And you can follow my socials. I'll link it down below. If you want to see how I got these results on my wash day, keep watching. This is my hair right now. I've used a lot of products in the past 3 days, so it's time to wash all of this out, and this is what I'm going to use. It's the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash. Okay, I just wet down my hair and now I'm going to use the hair wash. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Another thing I like to do while I'm washing my hair is use a scalp scrubber. This is the one that I have. There's 2 sides to it, and this really helps break up any of the dirt or debris that might be on my scalp. Okay, I'm going to apply this while my hair is soaking wet. It just got out of the shower, and it's the Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to take about this much starting out. And then I'll run it through my hair using the praying hands method. The next product I'm using is this Curl Control Jelly. I like the consistency of it. First thoughts. I like to brush through quickly before sectioning off my hair. Now I'm going to run through with my Denman brush, and I'll just show you really quickly how I do that. So I take about the width of the brush and get it at the root and then move it along like I'm cutting a ribbon. Or I said cutting, I meant curling. You can use a microfiber towel or a t-shirt, but today I'm just going to use an old t-shirt to dry my hair. And what I like to do is really try my best not to overdo drying my curls with a t-shirt or towel, because the more that you do this, the more frizz you'll add. So I really just like to go in 3 sections. I'll hold it about 10 to 15 seconds, and then I'll start diffusing. The blow dryer I like to use is the Extava blow dryer, and then using a black orchid diffuser. And you can buy this on Amazon. It's actually pretty cheap for a really good blow dryer and diffuser set. Now I'm going to go over my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes depending on my saturation level. So I will be back with dry hair. So here are my results. I cannot believe how well it turned out. Like, there is no frizz. It's very defined. Like, look at that curl. Oh my goodness. I have a feeling that my hair really likes the thicker formulas, things that really hold in moisture. And yeah, because I feel like my hair is just so soft, and it's pretty much frizz free. I love it. I think that curls is going to be in my regular routine from now on. So here are my thoughts from the Blueberry Bliss line. Let's start from here. I'm going to start from the wash because I really like this one. And it says soften, detangle, moisturize. while it repairs damage, and I really felt like it did that for me. The Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout cream was a heavier cream than I would normally use, but that being said, it is designed for people who have twists, braids, or locks, or to set your hair. So it might have not been marketed towards me, but I really did like my results from this wash day. And the last product that I used, the Blueberry Bliss Curl, what is this hard to say? The Curl Control Jelly. This is a product that I think that every curly girl should have, especially if you have kind of like my hair type and kinkier, curlier patterns. I think this is something that is really going to do your hair good. This is a jelly-based styler used to defrizz, define, hold, and create curls in place with impeccable sheen. And I really feel like it did that for me. This is one of the best wash days that I've had for a long time too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you try out the Blueberry Bliss line because I absolutely loved it. And don't forget to follow my socials. I'll link them down below. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.